In today's video we are going to create this side navbar. You can see this right here. So let's get started. I'm Hamza Ali and you're watching Code with Hemi. So let's get started with creating our navbar. So first of all we are going to create a container for our navbar. We are going to position it absolute. We are going to give it a width of 122 pixels and height full so that it covers the whole height of the screen, and we are going to give it a background of so we got our container right here. All we need to do is populate the items that we want. So first we are going to populate the logo at the top of our navbar. We are going to create a container for that, and it's going to be a flex box. So it's going to be flex column so that it's the element that populated in this will move vertically, not horizontally. So now we are going to give it an item center so that this item center property will make the items vertically aligned. We are going to give it a width full and height of full. These two properties will cover the whole space of its parent. Now first we are going to add our logo. I already added this logo inside my project. You can use whatever logo you want. So we got our logo here, but it's covering whole width of the navbar. So for that we are going to add some properties. We are going to give it a width and height property, and we are going to make the borders round. So for that we are going to give it a width of 65 pixels and height of 65 pixels as well. And to make it round, so we are going to give it a rounded full. It will make it round. So as you can see, the logo is rounded. Now you can see with this logo does not have any margin from the top. So for that we are going to give the main container from padding top to the main container. So this moves down. Now the next thing is populating the items that you want in here, which are dashboard, setting and support. You can add whatever you want here, but right now for this tutorial I'm going to go ahead and add dashboard, settings and support. So for that we are going to create another div container inside this div. Now we are going to add some tailwind properties. This is also going to be a flex box, and flex is going to be a column. We are going to give it a margin top so that this container is at the margin below, like this, and the logo and the container have a margin of 20. Now we are going to give an anchor tag. Right now I'm just going to give it an href hash and /. You can add whatever you want here. So if for instance if you have a dashboard and you created a dashboard route, so you can add dashboard here, and when once click on it, it will take the user to the dashboard. So for the icons I'm using React icons. So first we are going to get dashboard. and import it here. Now we are going to give it a size of 25 to the icon, and here we are going to add our text inside a p tag, which is dashboard. So now if we look at it, you can see we got our item here, but it's not properly styled. So for that we are going to first style our anchor tag, then we are going to style the name of our item. So let's first style our anchor tag. We are going to also give it a flex column. Then what we are going to do is give it a text of white, so that the text is white and the color of the icon is going to be white as well. Item is going to be center. So now you can see we got this, the color changed and the items are aligned center. So now we are going to give styling to our dashboard text. We are going to give it a font size of 12 pixels. Font weight is going to be 400, which in in Tailwind we can add simply by adding font normal. And also we are going to give it a text center, so that our text is centrally aligned. So you can see this changed. Now we are going to copy this for 2 times. We are going to copy this 2 times, and we are going to add different icons here. So this is going to be a settings icon, so we can add settings, and we are going to import settings. So we got a setting, and then this dashboard. First we are going to replace this dashboard icon with a support icon. So we got all of our items here, but you can see we don't have any gap between these items. So for that we are going to give the gap property to the parent of these items, which is going to be gap of 10. So now you can see we got gap between our items. This is how you can create your side nav bar using Tailwind. And that's it from this tutorial. See you in the next one.